How to use the intake records in Elah. The AI Intake Records interface is where practitioners review analysis and transcripts, link AI intakes to case files, and cross-reference relevant customer information. This interface acts as the central connection point between AI intake sessions, case files, script generation, and signal fusion reporting. To access the AI intake records, you will need the client's case ID and intake key. Navigate to AI Intake Records, enter the client's intake key, and click Load. You will see 4 available tabs: Analysis, Transcript, Client Information, and Link to Case. The Analysis tab will load the previously generated and saved intake analysis. You can run the analysis from the Session Index panel in the Activity deck. The Transcript tab will load the full session transcript for your review. The Client Information tab contains account details that can be used to cross-reference AI intake sessions with client case files. Please note that the Link to Case option at the end of the interface is a button, not a navigation tab. How to link an AI intake session to a client case file. One of the major benefits of AI intake sessions is that the analysis reports can provide deep insight into the client's mindset, while also serving as a baseline for long-term progress tracking. When AI intake data is combined with ongoing tracker data, Elah can generate advanced intelligence reports known as signal fusion reports. Standard signal reports are available without AI intake sessions. However, signal fusion reports provide deeper insight into the client's transformational progress over time. To link an AI intake session to a client case file, you will need the client's case ID. You can find the client's case ID inside the Recent Case Activity panel or by using the case log search form. Click on the Analysis tab and make sure you are positioned at the top of the page, then select Link to Case. Enter the client's case ID into the search field and click Search. If the case ID exists, the matching case file will appear inside the modal window. If no case file appears, verify that the case ID was entered correctly. When the correct case ID appears, click on the case ID number and confirm the link. Once the link is completed, the interface will display that the intake record has been successfully linked. To verify the connection, open the Client Information tab. You will now see the linked case ID displayed inside the Linked Case section. To learn how to use the session index, continue to the next tutorial.